Okay, everybody. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. Sorry I sound like I'm speaking from the coach section of an airplane. I'm having a few sound issues here, so we'll get those fixed by next week. But it doesn't matter what we're doing here. So NVIDIA, I've been talking about this for a while because it's been flipping important for a while. So all of these other stocks that I have also been mentioning, this is nothing new. Apple, down. NVIDIA, that's one I'm looking at today, down. Meta, almost coming down. Amazon, down. Still holding up okay, but it hasn't continued its rally. Apple again down. Microsoft, down. Tesla, down. So it's like all the mega cap stocks are falling, shall we say, from the sky. I'm not going to say, well, they're a little bit Icarian. You know, Icarus flew a bit too close to the sun, got his wings clipped. Didn't work out well for him. But as I look at NVIDIA, I see this as a little bit like the last of the Mohicans. I mean, maybe Meta. But as I mentioned the other day, and I was on Fox Business with Charles Payne, I think it was on Monday, and I said, yeah, I'd sell Apple and Microsoft. I'd probably hold NVIDIA, et cetera, et cetera. Okay, I'm amending that. I would sell this. I would sell the living hell out of this thing because it is falling. It's through a key moving average. It's had a heck of a run. They have earnings next week on the 23rd, actually, the week after that. And this is what I'm looking at. If this, let's say, I think this is going to continue to fall. It's not going to fall here. It's a great stock, but I know they're having issues with supply issues and stuff like that. But my sense is, let's say they report great numbers. Again, this is a pretty nasty bunch of resistance here, like a lot of resistance. And so it makes the stock really heavy. And when the stock's really heavy like this, then any rally up into this area is more than likely going to be sold into. So my suggestion is just stay away from it. If you want to take a shot, that's fine. And you can say, well, Fitzpatrick doesn't know what he's talking about. I don't, because it's in the future. So I'll acknowledge I have no idea what this stock's going to do in reaction to earnings. But what I do have a pretty good opinion on is that if the stock rallies, it's not going to blow out here. It would rally up and likely be sold into. So what you should really be doing is, if you want to hang on over earnings, know that this is your best case scenario. Your worst case scenario, right down here. So I'll let you decide whether you want to make that trade or not. But in my mind, it's not a trade that I'm going to make. In fact, truth be told, we're short NVIDIA over at Option Market Mentor.